Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing a new drag tank and a pump back here, kind of between the toolbox and the cab. I got 36-gallon Better Built transfer tank and then a G Pro fuel pump. So I'm going to first off start by taking my toolbox off so I can get in between there, and then I'll kind of unbox this stuff and show you what we're working with. So I just got the tank unwrapped here, and overall it looks like a pretty solid tank. You could tell where it kind of has some heat warps where they might have welded a little too much at once. I think they should have done shorter segments to keep the steel a little cooler and a little more square of a tank. But overall, it seems like it's pretty solid. I gotta shine a light in there, make sure there's nothing in there before I go ahead and install the pump. But yeah, I'm gonna have it mounted right up there, and I'm gonna put the toolbox back up behind it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this installed now. Okay, so to give you a little rundown now, since the last checkup, I've gone ahead and installed this back here, and then just rough fit the toolbox in for now. And it's, so far it looks decent. I haven't actually hard mounted it in down there yet. You can see the little bolt holes down there. Haven't done that yet, just a rough fit. But coming over to this side, I'm kind of wondering if I want to move the fuel tank up. Just, I don't know if I can mount some blocks under there or what. Right now I run into the issue of getting this out. When I go to take this out, you kind of have to fight it. It binds up here. It's like you can't really pull it out unless you go wiggle it way down and then it comes out. But I don't know, it's just kind of a pain. So I don't know if bringing it up higher, where then this would maybe sit up here a little higher, I don't know if that's going to help or not. So I might just throw some 2x under there or something, just see if it fixes it. But otherwise, I'm gonna hardwire it in to the outfitter switches I have, and then go ahead and mount it down to the box. But yeah, this is where I'm at right now, guys, and then I'll just kind of update you on the next step. So I got the tank installed, and I got the pump hooked up and everything. Cables ran down. I ended up just ratchet strapping it in there for now to kind of hold it. I ended up building a little wood box down there for it to sit on, just because I want it to be a little taller. It's a little easier to hold on to. But I went ahead and ran this down along the emergency brake line wire, and then my outfitter switch box with the fuses are right here. You can see them right here. I think it was the gray with the orange stripe is what I tapped into. That was number 6. So now, if the truck was on, I could flip this one, and then I can use my pump, and then I can just flip it and turn it off. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. Pretty easy, works pretty well. Used it a couple times now, but yeah, if you have any questions, just comment below and I'll try to answer them for you.